welcome and welcome back to another video. So for today I decided that I wanted to do a Curlsmith dedicated wash day, so let's just go ahead and get into it. Now, before I even apply water, start my shower, shampoo, and no, I'm not pre-pooing, don't judge me. I am gently just tugging at my strands, trying to finger detangle a little bit while my hair is dry, just trying out some new techniques that fell upon my ears. And that way, hopefully throughout this wash day, my hair will continue to stay as detangled as possible. For my cleanser, I am going in with the Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo from the Color Recipe line from Curlsmith. This is said to be a delicate shampoo that is perfect for all hair types. Key ingredients are lemons, which are incredibly rich in hair benefits. Their juice helps to clarify and absorb excess oil on the scalp, ensuring that all buildup and dirt is thoroughly melted away. And also pineapple, yes. It does have like a lemon pineapple scent, nothing too crazy. I did enjoy that. But yeah, pineapple is naturally rich in vitamins and antioxidants. It helps keeps the hair soft, shiny, and healthy. Plus, it helps regulate sebum production to maintain a healthy environment on the scalp. A few other ingredients include dandelion petals, goldenrod extract, and lemon citric acid. Now, I really did enjoy this cleanser. I know it says it's a gentle cleanser, but my hair felt extremely clean. It was very soft. The scent was not overwhelming at all. And on rinse out, Fred looks amazing. Like from the rooter to the tutor, there's no oil. My scalp felt clean and my hair looks pretty darn tootin' good, if I say so myself. Next up, I'm going in with the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. It is a rinse out conditioner also for all hair types. A few hand-picked ingredients are watermelon seed, rooibos, I don't know if I said that right, tea leaves, wild strawberry, beetroot juice, and shea butter mash. This really does smell really good, not overpowering at all. Even more about a few of the key ingredients: watermelon seed extract, which is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids, is an ultra lightweight oil that is incredibly moisturizing without being greasy. The tea rinses are an age-old remedy used to enhance and boost hair color vibrancy. Tea is also rich in antioxidants, we know, particularly vitamin C and vitamin E, which boost hair shine and make the hair stronger. I really did like how lightweight this was, and it did instantly soften and moisturize my hair. I used quite a bit of it. I felt like I just kept applying. I really want to make sure my strands were saturated like it said in the instructions. And yeah, it allowed me even more time to detangle my hair, and I didn't feel like I was tugging at it. It was good. It was a nice rinse out conditioner. Last up on the docket, we have the Double Cream Deep Quencher Deep Conditioner for dry, dull hair. It is for ultra moisture. It is said to enhance and revive. A few key ingredients: the resurrection flower. Okay, it can survive any water. It can survive without any water for up to 3 years. These moisture retention qualities make it the perfect ingredient for hair care products. It also includes mashed avocado, aloe vera juice, apricot kernel, rare indiroboba, I messed it up, and sunflower seeds. And so yeah, this was a lot thicker than I anticipated. I don't know, I guess I haven't experienced any Curlsmith products that felt this thick. It was kind of alarming at first because I don't really grab those really thick, deep conditioners anymore. But I did find that if my hair was saturated and I couldn't just scoop it out of the jar, rub it together for a few seconds. I had to like really warm this product up before I applied it to my hair, because I don't know, it just felt stiff on application. But I will say, after like letting it sit for a while, it did begin to soften. But initially off the gate, I was like, oh God, no, like this is going to make my hair feel hard. I don't know about this as a moisturizing deep conditioner. Now let's wrap this video on up. I know y'all probably thought I wasn't gonna come on here, but I did want to talk about these products individually and let you know what I thought. So starting with the Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo, I don't know if you noticed, but I was definitely attempting to detangle my hair with the shampoo, and I felt like that was very successful. I didn't realize this was a clarifying shampoo, but nonetheless, I'm all for it. My hair felt clean, and not even stripped, but clean. And for this to be vegan and no sulfates and no silicones, I really feel like did a wonderful job of cleansing my hair without making my hair feel dried out, which, you know, I'm really looking for, especially now that my hair is colored and I just kind of feel like it's a little more fragile. So definitely love this as a clarifying shampoo. Will continue to use this. I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but this isn't a first impression. I've tried these products out before, but I hadn't colored my hair, and I have a different mindset when it comes to things. And so that's the joy of trying products out and this whole process, right? Now the Glow Perfecting Conditioner, I enjoyed it for what it was. It's not a deep conditioner. It really softened my hair. I was able to further detangle. I felt like I had to use a lot, but honestly, with this being my second use, I still have this much left. So a lot goes a long way. Or the container, I feel like, is bigger or has more than it looks. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I liked it. I enjoyed these two together so much that I would go on record and say, if my stash wasn't as large as it was, and if I didn't have a YouTube channel and my hair was colored, I could see myself using these two together on a regular basis. Definitely, because my hair just felt really good and I know that they're color safe. And sometimes, you know, you get what you pay for. Now, moving on to the Double Cream Deep Quencher. Initially, I was just like, oh, this is too thick. You know, I have moved away from the thicker butters and heavy deep conditioners, and this baby is thick. I was not expecting this from Curlsmith. Just because of products that I've tried in the past have never really matched what they were saying that they would do. And I guess I'm thinking about stylists, but as far as these wash, I really did like this. I was, like I said, I was concerned about how thick it was going on, but warming the product up in my hands, making sure my hair was saturated and really working it through, letting it sit for 45 minutes to an hour. Amazing. You know, it's one of those conditioners where you can feel it in the bathtub afterwards because it's slippery, but my hair felt so good. I feel like I got the nourishment that I needed, and my hair didn't feel weighed down afterwards at all. Like, I really did enjoy this wash day. I was not expecting it because honestly, Curlsmith can be very hit or miss for me. I've missed a lot. And to a point where I was just like, you know what? These are still in my stash. My hair is colored now. Let me try these again. And of course, I just picked this up. But this was such a really good wash day. I could see myself like just wanting to stick to this combo on a regular basis. But yeah, if you haven't tried out this, and I'm sure you have because I'm late to the party, definitely try that out. If you have colored your hair and you're looking for clarifying, color safe, also like a balancing type wash day, definitely try these out if you haven't. I didn't record a video about what I used to style my hair. Of course, this is a 3-strand twist out, and I did try out the Intense Treatment Serum, which you also know is new to me. And my styler was the Bonita Afro Balm, which I don't even think I've ever talked about on my channel. But I was just playing around with my stash. Like I said, I wasn't sure how it was gonna turn out, but y'all, my hair looks and feels incredible, at least, you know, day one. But that is all that I have for you guys today. Comment down below and let me know, like, what other wash day products have you tried from Curlsmith that you really liked? Not really too fond of their stylers, I'm gonna be completely honest. I just haven't had the best experience. But you know, in the future of a wash day, you know, let me know. What should I keep my eye out for? Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all. You know I do. And I will see you guys in the next one.